so today we're going to be learning about the explicit formula. The best thing you should do is take out highlighters, color pencils, whatever you need, because we're going to have to read and identify each term. Alright, the explicit formula is this formula given to you. Okay? N means the term number. Okay? A1, it has the 1 for a reason, is our first term. Or first number. Alright, D means the common difference. And what is a common difference? It's a pattern. Okay, what do I mean by pattern? If you have 2, 4, 6, 8, what's the pattern? It's going by 2. That's my common difference. Okay, so that's a pattern. N minus 1 always stays the same no matter what. And again, is the term number. Alright, so let's try number 1. Again, take out your highlighters. We're going to have to highlight the most important things. It says the first row of a theater has 20 seats. So you know the first row has 20 seats. Okay? Next, they say each subsequence is each sequence, has 5 additional seats. Then the previous one. So the first one is 20, after that it's 5 seats after that. Okay. It says write an explicit expression. Alright, this is my explicit formula. Again, I have to write the formula. All I have to do is plug in for the numbers I know. The first row is my first term, so that I know it's 20. A1 is 20. My sequence is 5, so I know D, that's supposed to be a D, sorry. That's supposed to be a 5. The N minus 1, I told you, always stays there if I don't have a term number. That's it. Okay? All you're doing is writing the equation. So can you guys try the next one, please? Alright, moving on to number 3. Again, we need to read the vowels, identify what's given to us. It says the initial term, so it says initial term has a sequence of 7. Okay? The next one, it says the 10th term is 106. Now they're asking you what is the common difference. What does that mean? They're asking you to find for D. Common difference. Remember, that's D. We need to find the difference. Alright, again, plug in everything that you know already. The term is 10, so that means it's A10 equals A1 is the first term, so it's 7 plus, I don't know, D. Again, 10 terms, so it's 10 minus 1. Okay? You should notice that they gave you the 10 term. They told you it's 106, so you switch this for 106. You already know what's the 10 term. 7 plus D. What's 10 minus 1? It's 9. Alright? All you have to do is math now. You do the first thing, which is subtracting from 7. We have to subtract from both sides. And I get 99. 99 equals D9. You subtract 7 from both sides. Now what? I need to get D by itself, so I need to divide by 9. So that means that the common difference is 11. Okay, so you have to set up your equation, then give me the common difference. So find D. Okay, can you guys try the next one? Alright, moving on. It says each time a touchdown is scored in a football game, 6 points are added every time. So 6 points are added to the score of the scoring team. A team already has 21 points. Write the explicit formula to represent the number of points they could be. Alright, again, you plug in everything that you know to your formula. Do I know the term number? I do not know the term number, so AN stays the same. A1 is the initial. How much did the team start? Started with 21 points already. The common difference is 6 And again, I didn't know the term number, so n minus 1 stays like that. All you have to do, write the explicit formula. That's it. Can you guys try the next one? Alright, number 7 is pretty easy. They give you information. All you have to do is plug it into your equation. Alright, again, write the explicit formula. What is the explicit formula? They told you A1 is 17. That means that it started at 17. That's my A1. Alright, AN didn't give me a term. Stays like that. The difference, they give you an equation right here. They told you the difference is 5. So that's going to be 5 and minus 1. That's it. Plug in the numbers, plug it into the right explicit formula, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to solve it. Can you guys try the next one? Okay, another word problem we need to highlight. Remember, lockers line the hallways of most high schools. Your favorite math teacher hides a prize in one of the many lockers. To locate the prize, you must open every fourth locker, beginning with the locker number 22. After some time, one of your classmates locates the prize in locker number 126. How many lockers do your classes need to open? Alright, so the first thing you have to do is locate everything on the formula. AN, well, I know they told you every fourth locker, so AN will be the locker they end with, where they found the prize. It's 126. What locker number did they start with? They start with number 22. And then they told you every fourth locker, so that's the difference. So it will be 4 and minus 1. N represents the how many lockers you need to open. All you have to do is solve the math now. What's the first thing we should do? Well, I have parentheses. I need to distribute that 4. So I'm going to have 126 equals 22 plus 4n minus 4. Alright, all you have to do is combine like terms. Remember, the first thing is combining like terms. So what can I combine on this side? 22 and negative 4. Alright, now I get 126. And I get 18 plus 4n. Alright, and then again, you have to solve in for your n. So what's the next thing you should do? You should subtract the 18 from both sides. And when you subtract 18, you get 108 equals 4n. Okay? After that, you have to get n by itself. So then you have to divide by 4, and I get 27. So they have to go through 27 lockers to find the missing price. Can you guys try the next problem, please? Alright, and lastly, my favorite problems, the error analysis. There's always a mistake. Remember, it's an error. You have to find the mistake. Alright, so it says your friend writes 7 equals 4 plus 7 times 4, an explicit formula for finding the 7th term of the sequence below. Alright, so they give you the sequence. To find the common difference, you need to see how much am I going by. Well, 4 to 8, I'm going by 4. 8 to 12, I'm going by 4. 12 to 8, 16, I'm going by 4. And 16 to 20, I'm going by 4. That means that my common difference is 4. What is the initial number I start out with? 4. So my formula is AN equals 4 plus 4 and minus 1. They told you the 7 term, so that means that n means 7. So now I have A7 equals 4 plus 4. 7 minus 1, because I'm going to plug in 7 for n, gives me 6. So this is my final answer. So they are wrong because it's my final answer. So you have to circle my final answer, okay? Can you guys try the next one? Yeah.